Hello students, good morning. So in previous day, I told you about two harvest festival, right? One was Pongal and other was Onam. So in today's session, I will be telling you about various religious festivals celebrated by all of us in India. We enjoy many festivals. We decorate our homes, visit religious places. Now let us learn about Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr is a Muslim festival. It comes a month of fasting. People go out to mosque and eager to pray. After the prayer, people will embrace each other and say Eid Mubarak. Money and clothes are distributed among the poor and a sweet dish called Siwan is prepared on this occasion. Next one is Diwali. What is Diwali? Yes, Diwali is a festival of lights. Diwali is a festival of lights. It is Hindu's festival. It was on this day the Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravana. People wear new clothes, decorate their floor with beautiful rangoli, burn crackers also. Remember students, burning crackers, be careful and we should limit its use. It causes unnecessary air pollution. Okay student, now next is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December, birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated by Christians. They celebrate this festival with great joy. They buy and decorate Christmas tree for their houses. So is it clear to all of you students? Now we have one more type of festival, that is National Festival. National festivals are celebrated by all the citizens of India. First, Independence Day. India got independence from the British rule on 15th August 1947. Hence, 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day throughout the country. People hoist the national flag on building, offices, houses and also in schools. We salute the leaders and soldiers who fought for the freedom of our country. Now second one is Republic Day. Every year 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day throughout the country. On this day in 1950, India became a republic. Republic means where people are free to choose and elect their own leaders. Third one is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October to mark the birthday of great freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi. On this day, the President and the Prime Minister and many other people visit the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. So now it's clear. Okay, now in this chapter we have learned Harvest Festival, Religious Festival and also National Festivals. Right? So in this we have learned three types of festivals. So children, now we will go through reading. So all of children can take page number 196. We will start reading the chapter. Page number 196, you can see Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated after 30 days of fasting. People wear new clothes. They go to the mosque to pray. They wish each other. A special sweet known as Siwan is made on this day. Diwali. Diwali is known as the festival of lights. People decorate their houses with lights and lamps. They also make beautiful designs called rangoli outside their houses. They give sweets and gifts to each other. Next, page number 197, you can see Christmas. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. People wear new clothes and decorate their houses. They decorate the Christmas tree with lights and gifts. They go to church to pray. And in page number 196, in the top, you can see No More. So in No More, that you can see that 3 types of national festival. That is Republic Day, which is on 26th January. Next, Independence Day, 15th August, and Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. These 3 are known as our India's national festivals. Now, so you have to read this chapter twice, 2 times or 3 times thoroughly, and you have to send reading record in our group. Okay. So I'll give you some important words, new words. That is your homework, that you have to write it each words 10 times and by heart it. That is your homework. Write it 10 times each. So please note down the words. First one will be festivals. I'll repeat the spelling. Festivals. Festivals. Second, Pongal. 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 Third one is Onam. Onam. Next, Pookal. Pookalam. Pookal. Next one is Idul Fitr. Idulfitr. Next, Mosque. 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 Next is Diwali. 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 Next, Christmas. Christmas. Next one is Christmas tree. Christmas. Christmas, then tree. Tree. And the last one is church. Church. So children, this 10 words you have to write it 10 times each as homework, and by heart these all words. Okay.